In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Mastercard gift card. Whether you need a quick present or a flexible way to give someone spending power almost anywhere. Mastercard is accepted. This guide will walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. First, decide where you want to buy. You can go online or shop in person. Online is great for convenience and quick delivery, especially if you're sending a digital gift. Trusted options include the official Mastercard gift card site and well-known retailers like Amazon, Walmart.com, and Target.com. If you prefer to walk out with a card today, check your local grocery stores, big box stores, pharmacies, and convenience stores. In-store racks often have a range of denominations. Wherever you shop, prices and fees can vary, so glance at the fine print on the shelf tag or product page. If you're buying online, open a trusted site in your browser. Make sure you're on the real retailer's website by checking the URL and the secure lock icon in the address bar. From there, use the site's search bar and type Mastercard Gift Card. You're looking for a prepaid Mastercard product, not a store-specific gift card, and not a bank debit card. The description should indicate that it's a prepaid card you can use at most places that accept Mastercard in your region. Review any purchase or activation fees listed on the page so you know the total cost. Next, choose your card amount. Common values include $10, $25, $50, $100, $200, and $500. Some retailers let you pick a custom amount within a range, while others stick to fixed denominations. Think about how the recipient might use it and choose a value that fits your budget. If you're buying multiple cards, select the quantity before adding to cart. Add the card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Confirm the total, including any purchase and shipping fees. Pay with your card or another accepted payment method offered by the retailer. Double-check your billing information, and if it's a digital gift, verify the recipient email carefully. For a physical card, confirm the mailing address so it arrives without delays. Finally, get your delivery. For a digital eGift, the code is usually sent to the email you provided shortly after purchase. Keep that code secure and check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. For a physical card, it will be mailed to your address. Shipping times depend on the retailer and the option you chose. Hold on to your order confirmation and receipt until the card is in hand and ready to use. That's it. Simple, secure, and gift ready.